I'm Liana Filosa, and I'm from Education 1A. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a grading sheet in the K-12 curriculum. Now, I'm going to open the Excel with the grades. So let us just say that I'm already a teacher and I'm computing the grades of my dear students. First, let us check the data. This is the data of my students. We can't start computing if we don't have the data. But remember, always be careful in computing your students' grades. A single point can make a difference. Now, let us begin. First, let us compute for the total. The total is our sum. And the formula we're going to use is equal sign, sum, open and close parenthesis, B3 because our grade starts with the B ends in row 3. Colon, until quiz number 4. So that is E3. And then enter. And that's our grade. And then for the other students, to get it quickly, we drag it down until student 10. So there, we already get the sum. Now let's compute for the percentage. For the formula, we'll use equal sign, open close parenthesis, F3 because we're starting in this row. F3 slash F dollar sign 3 then close it, an asterisk, and 100. Now, the purpose of the dollar sign is for the data to stay in place or be permanent. After getting the percentage, so this is our grade, we do it again. We simply drag it down to get the percentage of the other students. So that's how we do our percentage. Now we'll do the same thing with the performance test. We'll use the same formula in the total and the percentage. For the total, we'll do it again. Equal sign, sum, open close parenthesis, 3, colon, K3, and then enter. Drag down, percentage, equal sign, open close parenthesis, L3 slash L dollar sign 3 close asterisk and 100. Enter and drag down. There. We'll do the same thing with the quarterly assessment, the one with 20%. Since we don't have the total, the data we're going to apply is N3. Again, equal sign, open close parenthesis, N3 slash N dollar sign 3 close asterisk 100. And then we drag it down. Now let's proceed with the raw score. The raw score, the formula we're going to use there is equal sign, open close parenthesis. For the content, we'll start with the percentage of the written works. So the the data we're going to insert is G3. And then asterisk, and then 0.3 because it is only 30%. We close it, and then we add the plus sign. We do the same procedure. Now we do the performance task. The percentage of performance task is M3 asterisk 0.5 for 50%. For quarterly assessment, we do 20%. Let's type O3 asterisk and 20%. Close it, enter. Like what we did to others, we drag it down. That's a raw grade. Proceed with the transmuted grade. For the formula, we're going to type equal sign, look up, and then open and close parenthesis. It's raw grade. The raw grade is P3. And then, comma, sheet 2. Exclamation point. This is sheet 2. I did this one earlier. So we have the cut scores and the ES. We'll be using this for our computation. Now let's continue with our formula. Sheet 2, A, $, 2, colon, B, $, 42. Why? Because with sheet 2, we have two columns here. We have two columns here. That's why we have one for A and one for B. We put a $sign for it won't move. Now let's go back here. For the total, you'll get 100. Drag it again, drag it down. So that's the grade. That's the transmuted grade of my 10 students. We're going to use this box. We cannot use this box because these items here, these are the total items of the assessment, test, project, or the grades itself. That's the total. If you get a perfect score, this is perfect score. Here are the grades of our students. So we're going to compute in this box, in the fourth one. Now let's begin. For the formula, we'll start with equal sign, type rank, open close parenthesis, the transmuted grade, that would be Q4, comma, again with the transmuted grade, we have Q, then $, 4, colon, again, Q, $, 13, and then enter. That's the rank. So student 1 is rank 6. Like we did earlier, we drag it down. So here, grades of our students, these are their ranks. Now, if we put it in this way, we're going to have a hard time. So I'll show you a shortcut how we could see the grades properly, including the ranks. Press here, and then you drag it. You drag it until P. After that, right click, and then click hide. Now you can see your grades, and their ranks. Now for student 1, he has an average of 92 and his rank is 6. Student 2, 95, his rank is 2. Student 3, 90, rank 10. Student 4, 91, rank 9. Student 5, 97, rank 1. Student 6, 92, 6. Student 7, 93, rank 4. Student 8, the same, and the rank is also 4. Student 9, 94, rank 3. Student 10, 92, also rank 6. So this is the grades of our students. We have computed it. Now, this is the end of our lesson. You need to remember the formulas in order you to know the grades. So you need to know how to compute for the total, percentage, the ROS, grade, transmuted, and the ranks. So this is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much. Please have a good day.